So, hi again everyone. I'm back again to create another reconstructed Filipino dish. This is a soup type. This is called soured broth or sinigang na baboy. So, the ingredients that we will need are pork meat, sinigang mix, magic sarap, kangkong, okra, talong, sitaw, siling haba, kamatis, sibuyas, and salt and pepper whole. Ayan, so these are the ingredients that we will need. So, next. So first, pupunuin natin ng water yung pot. And then after natin siya mapuno, bubuksan natin yung kalan to medium heat. Ilalagay natin yung 4 na ingredients, yung sibuyas, kamatis, siling haba, at pamintang buo. Ayan. Iintayin lang natin siyang kumulo bago ilagay ang mga susunod na ingredients. Halu-haluin along the way. So, eto na siya. So, pag kumulo na, susunod nating ilalagay ay yung pork meat or karneng baboy. Ayan, huwag natin kalimutan na halu-haluin din along the way, no? After malagay yung karneng baboy, iintayin ulit natin siyang kumulo. So next, after kumulo, isusunod nating ilagay yung sinigang mix and then yung magic sarap. Then maglalagay din tayo ng asin. So this is according to your taste, no? Kung ano yung panlasa natin, pwede naman i-adjust. Halo-halo and then takpan ulit. Iintayin ulit natin siyang kumulo before natin ilagay yung vegetables. So after ilang minutes, pag na-dissolve na yung seasoning na nilagay natin kanina, pwede na nating isunod ilagay yung ibang vegetables, which are the talong, okra, and the sitaw. Takpan, then iintayin ulit natin siyang kumulo. Pag kumulo na siya ulit, pwede na natin ilagay yung kangkong and then halu-haluin. Tapos iintayin natin siyang kumulo for the last time. Then pwede na siyang iserve at i-plating. So, for this plating, after kumulo ng pork, pinrito ko siya for added color, flavor, and texture. Pero pwede naman siyang iserve as is, no? So, for this dish, the broth can be served beside that dish. And again, this is the final product ng ating sinigang na baboy. See you again next week. Thank you so much.